Well, good morning. Today is good afternoon. My goodness, we're already moving into the afternoon hours, and we're looking at conditions that have improved. We're at 29 degrees in Fargo, and conditions are looking a lot better out there for us in the valley as far as temperatures are concerned. We're still working our way up. Other parts around the country, some of our connecting airports, Minneapolis looking pretty good, but it's cold there too. We're in that same cold air mass. It's moving into Chicago. Right now, they're not too bad at 33. Denver, nice, 64 with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Some rain in Orlando, looking quiet in Dallas, and a warm day in Phoenix right now at 75 degrees. I'm feeling jealous right now. There are some delays out there, but most airports are doing okay. We are keeping an eye out to the East Coast. This is that cold front that blasted through for us this weekend. The rain showers working their way off the coast, still hanging around into Florida. That's why we were showing a little bit of rain in the Orlando area. There's still some lake effect snow coming off the lakes, the Great Lakes in the east of us here. And we even saw a little bit of snow on the radar earlier on this morning. That has moved on. And as we take a look at our visible satellite map, you can see that we've got areas that are a little more clear. We're still seeing some clouds in this area in southeastern North Dakota, but we are breaking up some of those clouds in our view. And then Northern Valley and over to the east, we're seeing more of that cloud cover. And so it's a little more gloomy there. That's where we're seeing temperatures that are a little cooler. We're into the upper teens to some mid to upper 20s. The warmer air punching in behind this front also helping to bring those temperatures above freezing in some of our southwestern viewing area. Fargo's not far off. Wahpeton just down the road to 32 degrees right now. Most of us don't have too strong of a wind, but it's enough that it is bringing down our wind chills into the teens in a lot of spots. It's out of the south or southeast or southwest, varying of those ranges here. And it's about 5 to 15 miles per hour. We'll stay that way through the afternoon. So we'll keep warming things up. We'll move these clouds to the east a little bit more. We'll get more sunshine through the valley, and temperatures are going to range somewhere between the mid-20s, I would say, in the northeast to those low, maybe even mid-40s in the southwest this afternoon. And in between, we're going to be into the 30s. 36 degrees in Fargo, 31 in Grand Forks for this afternoon. And we'll continue to have that south or southwesterly wind, and that will help us out. We're going to be feeling pretty mild here heading into the nighttime hours tonight, at least for November standards. Once that sun goes down, we'll eventually see those temperatures slide a bit into the teens and 20s, but then the south wind kicks in. So this is 10 o'clock tonight. Watch what happens as we move through the overnight hours and into tomorrow. A few clouds roll through, but we're really focused in on the wind. It starts to pick up. We're looking at some gusts into the 20s to near 30, and that keeps our temperatures from dropping too much. We've got that warmer air rushing in, and in fact, some of us may see our temperatures climb overnight. And so by 8 a.m., we'll be in the 20s to low 30s tomorrow morning just to start off the day, and we'll just build off of that. So Tuesday's looking like a warm day for us here in the valley, though we do have to put up with that breeze. Those winds will be gusting into the 20s to some 30s, especially in the morning hours. Look at these temperatures, 30s to some 40s coming up for the tomorrow afternoon, and some of us approaching 50 degrees along the South Dakota line and out west. So it's going to feel quite toasty compared to where we've been, and right around that time is also when we'll see that wind start to ease up. So Tuesday's looking pretty good with some varying cloud cover through the day. Now Wednesday, huge travel day ahead of Thanksgiving. We have a chance for some light snow. We might have a coating of snow in some places. It won't be heavy, but combine that with the wind and it's going to be tough for visibility at times. So we'll watch out for that for you. And then cold air moving in behind it. Thanksgiving morning, we're talking single-digit highs. Some of us above, or rather lows, some of us above freezing or zero, and some of us below zero. So that's some of our coldest air we've seen yet this season. And the day, I think some will just struggle in the teens for highs.
Well, thank goodness that on Thanksgiving we at least have the warm food.
Yes.
And the pies.
It's an indoor day to hang out with your family. So, you know, I suggest staying in there and staying close to the oven. And then you can keep nice and toasty.
Sounds good. Thanks so much.